If I don't do it, you know that. Yeah. Okay. Eli Manning flow. I'm a fucking giant, and all you other rappers talking shit, just be quiet. Cause I can't hear you, the money's in the way. Wasting your breath, trying to find some shit to say. That'll run up in your chick like day. Man, I don't play no fucking child games. Grown man shit, you niggas can't hang. And I'm at your neck, nigga, like a sharp blade. Thought I was a sniper with my Gary aim. Fuck your couch, nigga, I'm Rick James. Tryna get mad dough, Betty Crocker thing. Your girls say I'm hot, but bitch I am a flame. Running laps around you rappers, this is just a game. Joker flow, nigga, my shit's insane. You think you hot, I'll put out your fucking flame. I'm about to kill you, leave you niggas dead. The top on your body, but not your head. You don't need a coffin, cause this shit is dead.
I go hard in the paint, call me Block of Flame. There's something on my dick, oh wait, that's your game. You just put the pen down, haha, but you're a lame. Call me Young Rainforest, you won't stop my reign. Call me Lil Shark, for I will not be tamed. Call me the new king, give me that LeBron James. You hear me dropping bombs, call me Saddam Hussein. Call me Lil Lighter, all I spit is flames. Call me Young Wiz, oh if I were a lame. Call me Young Luda, got midgets on my chains. Call me Mario Chalmers, got ballers on my team. I always shine, they'll call me Eversheen. Call me Rap Head, cause I'm a spitted fiend. I got a mean hook, just call me Kareem. Call me Blood, all up in your girl's spleen. Call me Lil Eagle, because my rhymes are king. I'm not out of school, because I'm still a teen. But I'm schooling you niggas that think you are OGs. I don't fuck with you, if you are a tease. But if you down to fuck, we could kick it like some leaves. We could be lumberjacks, just go through them fucking trees. And then when you done, all you rock is my tees. That pussy was bomb, got me feeling mighty. You wanna peep my whips? Well, you might see, but only if your head a little bit above my knees. For all of y'all that fucking wanna quote me, fuck all that call me shit, my name is Zachary.